Hey guys, welcome to TLDR Unhinged.
It doesn't matter. Then
It
call
does
the
matter.
cops.
It brings
Have
down
them-
quality of life.
You're not a police officer. You're not a police officer.
Excuse me, I'm a
You
citizen.
You
I
let
have
the
a right
police
to
officers.
speak.
You
I
let
have
the
a
police
right to
officers
speak.
deal with that.
So let cops are coming.
Yeah.
Where I will be going through the TLDR newsletter on this channel, which TLDR actually means too long didn't read. Which is kind of funny since the newsletter is kind of long and a lot of reading. I just thought it'd be more fun to read it together than go through it by yourself in a little interactive, fun video type of way. If you guys have any suggestions for other newsletters I should read, please leave those in the comments and I will make a video about it. Cool, let's just hop right into it. Today is December 16th, 2022. The sponsor is LTS. Okay, I really don't care. Big tech and startups. ChatGPT owner OpenAI projects $1 billion in revenue.
$1 million.
Revenue by 2024. OpenAI's recent pitch to investors predicts that the organization will earn $200 million in revenue next year and $1 billion in 2024.
$1 million.
I wish I had a no revenue company that I could pitch to investors and be like, hey, look, I'm gonna make $200 million next year, $1 billion next year. Invest. The company charges developers by licensing its technology. It costs around a penny to generate 20,000 words of text and about 2 cents to create images with written prompts. I tried to get it to write 2,000 words and it only gave me 250. So, but 20,000 words for a penny? That's pretty good, you know, considering, I mean, if you went on Fiverr, a lot of people are charging like $100 for 1,000 words. Like, it's crazy. So that's actually a pretty good deal. OpenAI has not revealed its financials or revenue strategy.
What? Revenue? No revenue. I'll call you back.
What?
Why would you go after revenue?
Because to make money?
No.
The company uses a capped profit structure that limits investor returns to 100 times their investment. So you can only make 100 times on this one. I actually like ChatGPT. Is it Google? No. But, I mean, it works for what it needs to do. Here's the article. I'm actually not going to read through all of these articles. I'm just going to go through it like kind of you would go through it if you would even click on it. But, you know, a lot of us, we read this and then we like, okay, I got the point. So that's what I'm going to kind of do. This is from Reuters. ChatGPT, the new chatbot that is the talk of Silicon Valley, can spit out haikus, crack jokes in Italian, and maybe soon be the scourge of teachers everywhere facing fake essays generated by the AI-powered technology. Look, if I was writing essays, I'd be using ChatGPT. The thing is, it won't give you a full essay right now. But when it will, holy, it's just going to be a game changer. It just saves you so much time. Like if you're writing, you know, 10,000 words and this thing could spit out 8,000 and you just have to correct it and add a couple paragraphs hidden here and there. It's actually pretty decent. Actually the coding part really surprised me, to be honest. But anyway, but a question it can fully answer is this: how will OpenAI make money? The research organization co-founded by Elon Musk and investor Sam Altman. Sam Altman is the guy that actually invented Reddit with another guy, Alex Ohanian, which is coincidentally married to Serena Williams, which is a pretty nice gig. And backed by $1 billion in funding from Microsoft. It's expecting its business to surge. It is a pretty cool little tool. A lot of people are saying that it will compete with Google. I seriously doubt that, but it does help a little bit. I feel like Google gives a lot more suggestions though, whereas ChatGPT will give you one kind of opinion and then you say, all right, give me another opinion, and it'll give you the same opinion like reworded. So I don't know if Google really has anything to worry about. This guy was actually asking Sam Altman a question on Twitter. He says, will it be free forever? And Sam Altman says, we will have to monetize it somehow at some point. The compute costs are eye-watering. That actually makes me question, how are you doing 20,000 words for a penny? Because I thought the compute costs would be eye-watering. So Yeah, tool. Moving on, Meta, Microsoft, AWS, and TomTom, which is a little maps app that no one uses, kind of like Waze, launched the Overture Maps Foundation to develop interoperable open map data. You guys should be proud of me for that one. The Overture Maps Foundation is a program driven by AWS, Meta, Microsoft, and TomTom, hosted by the Linux Foundation. It aims to counter Google and Apple's dominance in the map data realm by developing data sets that can be used and reused across applications and businesses.
Here. You took the wrong turn at Old Polite.
Well, now you took it with me, Miss Daisy. And you got the map.
I mean, there's just nothing better than a Google Maps. I'm sorry. Like, it just is what it is. I'm not using this crap unless it gets better than Google, which I don't see happening. Creating an open data set will allow companies to bypass restrictions that Google and Apple place on their data and avoid paying for licensing. The foundation aims to release its first data sets in the first half of 2023. But the thing is, like, how are you going to pay for the cars that go around and do Street View? Like, I'm just, like, TomTom is a 720 share price here, and they're going to have thousands of cars taking pictures of every street in America. I just don't see it. You know, Bezos got to cough up that dollar to get the cars on the road and give me that street view. In science and futuristic technology, try Riffusion, an AI model that composes music by visualizing it. I mean, if it can't create a Drake song, then you know what? I'm not really that interested. It might be able to do some cool dubstep or something. Molecule that mimics insulin opens new doors for a diabetes pill. I feel like a diabetes pill would be pretty cool. You know what? I don't think diabetics need a pill. Hot take. I think we all need free healthcare. I mean, why are they paying thousands of dollars for a pill that literally keeps them alive?
What do you think would happen if everything was free? If we didn't have to pay for anything, we didn't have to earn money, what do you think would happen if everything was free?
Explain it to me. It should be free. Programming, design, and data science announcing Auth.js, the authentication program. Looks like there. Leaked a secret. Check your GitHub alerts for free. I have a couple secrets on my GitHub. If you want to go in there and get my secrets, then have fun. A production-ready data backbone and REST and GraphQL APIs to build modern apps faster. That is a sponsor, so we're gonna skip that. You're not gonna get free time on this channel.
Tell them to bring me my money.
I'm sorry, we're skipping the sponsors. ChatGPT and the ImageNet moment. This article discusses ChatGPT and how it's advancing the field of AI. Actually, I clicked into this article before the video, and take a look at this, guys. Look. It's like a decade or so ago, systems based on, like, look. It's like a wall of text. Like, I dare somebody to get to the end of this without having like an aneurysm. Like, dude, I'm on TikTok for 10 hours a day. If it's not like literally giving me a seizure, I can't pay attention to it. This is an article about it gives you kind of the trends in AI, Internet of Things, blockchain, digital health, cloud computing, 5G, AR, VR, the gig economy. It kind of goes over where our technology is going. It's a cool little article if you're into that. No sponsors on this channel. I do want to go over this article. ArtStation's artists stage mass protest against AI generated artwork. ArtStation artists are protesting the AI generated artwork by placing no AI art images in their profile.
We're going to use cannabis at 420 as an act of civil disobedience in mass.
I personally like the human-made art. The AI art is just, it's too good, to be honest. I guess this guy started the trend. He says, I created this image for everyone to use whether they want. AI creates the art you see on the backs of artists being exploited. AI art is currently scraping the web for art and uses it in data sets. No artist gave consent to have their art used. We are not compensated. You know what? Welcome to humanity. Welcome to the age of having phones and technology. These I looked into this. This is actually pretty cool. Look at this AI art. That's actually pretty dope. This one, I like this one. But yeah, that kind of sucks if you spend hours and hours creating art and then you upload it to a website and they use it for their AI model and people buy all the AI art and they don't even tag you or anything. Kind of sucks. Artists are just, you know, they're mad. And then there's a couple more articles down here, but we're not going to go over those today. We are going to be back tomorrow doing another video. Thank you guys for watching. Oh my God. And if you guys have any questions or any comments, leave a mean comment. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. No, if you guys actually have any other newsletters that you want me to review, leave those in the comments. And we get these newsletters every day, so we'll probably be doing another video tomorrow. See you then.